Drugs for cough. Pharyngeal demulcents, expectorants, anti-tissue, adjuvant anti-tissue. Pharyngeal demulcent, lozenges, syrups, glycerin, liquorice. Expectorants, mucokinetics, secretion enhancers. Potassium citrate, potassium iodide, tolu balsam, Vasaka, ammonium chloride. Mucolytics, bromhexane, acetylcysteine, carbocystine. Anti-tissue, cough center suppression, opioid, codeine, ethyl morphine, folcodeine. Non-opioids, noscapine, dextromethorphan, clofidinol. Antihistaminics, chlorpheniramine, diphenhydramine, promethazine. Pulmonary receptor desanitizer, prenoxdiazine. Adjuvant anti-tissue, bronchodilator, salbutamol, terbutaline. Thanks for watching.